What's going on, everyone? This is Desmond with Operation Work From Home, where I make videos showing you how you can make money using your cell phone or Wi-Fi. And if you're new to the channel, I want to thank you for checking us out. Want to welcome you if you're new. If you've never seen any of my videos before, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And if you have any questions, comment down below. But in today's video, I will be showing you how to use the Getupside app. Right now, I do currently have it open, and I will have a link down below to show you where you can download that app. And then you also get a additional 15 cents on your next fill up by using my link down below. But yeah, so what about the app? You heard about it. You might have seen some commercials for it. But it's, you know what? I tell you what, as you can see, I've used it so far and I've made about $38 just by using the app. It's really simple to do. Pretty much all you have to do is select one of these gas stations. As you can see, it tells you what they're going to pay back per gallon, up to 50 gallons. And then all you have to do is just go to that gas station and use your debit or credit card. And once you do that, you're going to get your receipt. And then you just upload that receipt. So I'm just going to pick one gas station here. This Shell that's going to be paying out 12 cents a gallon. So I'm just going to pick on that. So what you want to do, you want to claim the gas offer, okay? Click on claim. And then it tells you a little bit more details about it, right? Now, as you can see down below, you got 3 hours and 59 minutes to claim this offer. And it's got the location. And then, again, all you're going to do is go to that gas station. And as you can see right here, underneath the gas offers, they're going to give you 12 cents per gallon, okay? So you're going to go there. You're going to pump gas, use your debit credit card, and then you're going to upload that receipt. After you upload that receipt, then you'll get credit. It's simple as that. And you know what? It doesn't matter how much the gas is. Where everybody's going to get gas regardless. So why not take advantage of the savings, you know? And if you have a Shell's rewards, if you're part of the Shell rewards program, you can still use their program, you know. So use your program, get your points. That's the one thing you're going to do. Then the next, you're going to use the app to save even more money. So again, all you got to do is claim an offer. You go in there. You go there within that time limit. And then you just use your debit or credit card, grab that receipt. And if it, sometimes you're going to get some pumps that doesn't have receipts. So you're going to go in there, inside, grab the receipt after you pump your gas, and just get the receipt. And then you're going to upload it. As soon as you do that, you will get money back. As you can see again, I've made $38 so far from using this. And at the end of the year, if you pump gas for a whole year, think about how much you're going to spend. And you can use that to buy some gifts for Christmas or whatever else you might want to do. May have a birthday party, a birthday present, or anything else you want to do. Want to pay a bill off, pay your cell phone, treat yourself with this, why not use it that way? So I just wanted to share this quick video on how to use the Getupside app. You can download it below at my link at the cashbackatthepump.com, and it will take you to the app to download. And I'm looking forward to help you on the next video. Take care.